Ja, I'm filming it, Mike.
Ja, zeker. Aan of uit? Nee, aan.
Sell, you know, flowers, food, different continental food, so you got food from different parts of the world.
It's the yeah, that's back.
And also, you know, it's just around the corner from Southwark Cathedral, which is quite an iconic building in its own right. But Borough Market is the place where you want to, you know, where you need to, if you want to buy fresh flowers, food from different parts of the world, you know.
And the fun facts?
Sorry?
Fun facts about Borough.
Fun facts about Borough Market, it's surrounded by railway lines, so you've got railway viaducts going directly above, so you can hear the trains going directly above your head, because it's situated on the triangle where 3 railway lines meet up.
Alright.
So you're surrounded, you can hear the sound of the trains passing directly above. And it's every 3 or 4 minutes, because it's on the main line out of London. So that's the eastern side of St Paul's Cathedral. And also, when we come to St Paul's Cathedral, if you look to the left, you'll see the Tate Modern and also the famous wobbly, the Millennium Bridge, which used to wobble when it got windy, but they sorted it out. Where the choristers learn to sing. St. Paul's Cathedral. So this is St. Paul's.
Ja, ik denk het. Moeten we eruit? Leuk, moeten we eruit?
Stay on the Charing Cross.
We need to leave.
Oh, where are you
Okay,
going?
it's really nice meeting you.
Thank you.
Oh, you're not going with us to Charing Cross? Oh.
We need to go out.
Okay.
Well,
Take
thank
your
you,
time.
love.
Okay, don't rush. Thank you so much.
Safe farewell. Bye, bye, take care.
Take care.
Take care.
Thank you. Hope to see you in the coffee shops in Amsterdam.
No worries, anytime.
Just take your time getting off the bus because those steps are quite steep at the end. So
Keep
don't
doing
rush.
what you like,
Yeah.
being an informative bus.
Oh, I try.
Informative.
Conductor.
Informative, hij snapt wel wat ik bedoel. Informative.
Hey, informative, darling.
Yeah, you
Informative.
know
Yeah.
You understand.
Take your time getting off the steps because it's quite steep. So.
Bye, Mikey. Thank you.
Alright, cheers.
It's alright, take care. Take care, bye. Bye, take care. And you, take care. Take care.
Ik wist het niet klopte, maar hij snapte hem wel en hij lachte me niet uit.
Mind the steps now.
Ja, daar ben ik dan weer voor, inderdaad.
Wat zei je
nou? Jongen, even... Nee, wat zei ik nou? Nee, zei nou 150?
I'm sure he scores. I think we did well, man. I'm sure this bus brings me nothing but good luck, you know. Every time. At 1933, it always brings me good fortune, this bus.
Brings me good fortune.
Oh, wow.
Private eye one guy.
Oh, is it? I don't know, hopefully it might... Oh, hello, yeah. Oh, it's 2390, that's it's the Extended West one, isn't it?
Yep.
2390, that used to be a First London one.
Yeah, that's Rm1933, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, no, and it's got a new rear window on the lower deck.
Yeah.
I forgot the company who owns that. It's what's in London.
Roommasterhire.com.
That's it, yeah. They're based up in Hertfordshire, I think.
Yeah, yeah, Mims.
Yeah, South Mims.
Yeah.
So you're doing a live broadcast, yeah?
Yeah.
got to be done. Oh well, we've got another red behind as well.
Yeah, not wrong.
See?
State, yeah, it's got to be state. It's got to be state funeral, isn't it? Slip. Technical difficulties, gents, but we're all right now.
Sorry for the technical delay, but James is functional. Yeah, I might as well write this down.
Get some pictures then.
Yeah. I'll be as happy as that.
I might. No, me, I'm going to be emotional, boy.
That means, you know, yeah.
Started to fill up, man, Charles. Yes, twice I dropped it, but it should be alright now. Yeah. That's charming, eh? Isn't it? All the way flip. Charming. That's, yeah, we got. No, it's shit. That might be 2, 3. Could be 2374. 2548. Oh, look at that for a guess. It's because for all those Dutch people. They would have loved that like a ball. I'm gonna upload this to YouTube anyway. Yeah. Yeah, I need to set up another one, call it London Weekend Television, but my brother said you can't do it.
Right, yeah. Call it British television. That's what Halen pays for.
The management.
Watching LWT, the British television.
The management.
Yeah, we do Ron.
We do Ron.
Then you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you want to stay a pretty boy. Miss the kids then.
Oh yeah.
And they had, it was Halen Pace as the manager.
Yeah.
They had that budgie. So budgie goes, if you want to stay pretty boy. And the two ones go, yeah. And then the budgie says, you're simply then. And then the two ones look at each other and go, oh, right, okay. Yeah, if only there was a roll in here, I'd be drinking off right over this business.
Yeah.
You'd see all the steam coming out of the machine.
Oh, they're quality. I'm looking forward to putting them on.
Yeah. Well, I've got to say, I've got to do one. your trip on these just to say farewell and thanks for the memories. Oh, it's only 871, that's a shed.
Yay! Yay!
Yeah. It's only a rancid shed, son. Oh, well, at least I'll be home before it gets too busy, so I'm happy with that.
Exactly.
More than happy.
I used to be hardcore, I sat forever.
Yeah. So now we're coming on to your old 11 route now.
Yeah.
Royal Court of Justice. No further questions, Lord.
That's true.
Ding ding.
Slow on the bell, I'd be like lightning.
Oh god, I was quick.
I was like
Even
lightning.
with route miles per mile, I'm quick on the bell. Right, everyone's on right, ding. All the wedding guests on. Oh, we forgot the mother-in-law. Oh well, tough. She'll have to get the next one.
TS.
Direction.
Yeah.
Underneath the wheel.
Temple Bar, Royal Courts of Justice.
I said just shout Royal Courts of Justice. The drivers just go, oh, you're so old school.
Yeah. Well, it's got to be done.
Of course, I think that's what shocked a lot of them.
Yeah. No further questions, Bud. Your client is the audio.
Lord Stanley Fletcher.
Norman Stanley Fletcher, you have, what is it? You've been sentenced to 8 years for armed robbery. 5 years, isn't it? Yeah. You know when they filmed those at the beginning of
Slade. Yeah.
You know Porridge, they filmed out St. Pancras.
Yeah.
And to think of what St. Pancras looks like now. And what's the name? Fletcher's son, it was played by Nicholas Lyndhurst.
Oh yeah, it was played by Raymond, wasn't it?
Yeah, Raymond was played by Nicholas Lyndhurst. Because after that he did Butterflies and then he
went to False and Horses.
Yeah.
I've recognised a few other people like that, but
Oh, Dale.
I've been a total success. Not too bad.
Next up, St. Clement Danes and Australia House.
I should just belt out Aldrich.
Yeah.
Sounds like a Roman death threat. Aldrich. Aldrich.
You've been on my wheels, but you haven't been on like the old speedboat.
Oh yeah.
But it still sounds like a
It
speedboat.
does, yeah. DMSLT.
Yeah, LT55.
Yeah.
I remember.
I actually got I was with you and I got off and took a shot of it at Lower Sloane Street.
Yeah.
And then I came over to the district line.
Oh no, that was
That was before you joined up.
yeah,
wasn't it?
before I started.
Yeah.
You come on the start, you met it at
That's right.
Charing Cross.
Yeah.
Because I was trying to tell 30 to get out of the way.
That's right.
You're doing that duty on Tuesday instead of Saturday.
Oh well, it's life in the old guy, yeah.
Tuesday or 293. Okay.
St. Mary Le Strand. I remember your terminus on the 13th, just on that
Yeah,
side.
that's right, just over there.
Stinking piss down there, all the tramps used to
Yeah.
Sounds like you're trying to sounds like the signal's going bad where you are. That's right, I thought I'd give you a bell, see if you'd sit alright.
Aldrich!
Who needs iBus when they've got Bouchin bus? iBouchin. Yeah.
J-Bus.
James. Yeah.
J-Bus.
Yeah.
I stood up on the LTs where I just belt it out.
Yeah.
Didn't do it. Because a lot of people didn't really listen to the iBus, so.
Oh no. It's funny how they never listen to the iBus, but they always listen to the conductor. You know?
Yeah, especially when I used to do all like when we had diversions on Saturday.
Yeah.
And like used to just tell the punters about the diversions.
Yeah. Don't cross the road just yet. I don't do death by route castle.
No. I do death by chocolate though.
Oh yeah. Death by Barry Lejeune. Yeah, he bore people silly. Today Barry Lejeune is going to read you a bedtime story from his clipboard. Oh no.
That's ability.
Once upon a time, pay attention, stupid boy. Once upon a time there was a men with a clipboard who thought he was superior to everyone else. He travelled first class to Haywards Heath and worked in 55 Broadway. But he was only a 9-to-5er, so he didn't get spat at or abused by all the other plebs. And he likes to board it over other people. He ended up working at the LT Museum depot. He had a new clipboard and he lived happily ever after. Stupid boy.
Stupid boy.
Oh, how awful. Can I be excused? Oh, would you mind awfully falling in line? Oh. I used to love doing all the impersonations of the Dad's Army characters. My name's Manning, Captain Manning. Stupid boy. Or what's his name, Hodges? Put that light out. Evening, Napoleon. Put that light out.
Oh, Hodges.
You know, my favourite one was, what's his name, Pike. You know, I'm not a stupid boy, Uncle Arthur. I've done a lot of brave things, haven't I, Mr. Manning? I've even taken dead mice out of traps, haven't I, Uncle Arthur? Oh, Frank, you should be quiet. You know. And then there's what's his name? Oh, Jones. Don't bet it, don't bet it. They don't like it up, Mr. Manning.
Don't like it up them.
Permission to speak, sir. And then there's Fraser. We're all doomed. That's Graham Laurie, that is.
Yeah.
His accent is just like bloody Graham Laurie.
Really?
Well, similar.
I haven't heard Graham Laurie speak.
Graham Laurie, he's a Glaswegian, but he talks about 900 words per minute. He's very quick.
Oh, my dad was that.
Like Ramsey Nesbitt. I see you. Oh, you do. I thought, Graham, slow down, slow down. I'm you know, trying to keep up here. So, mate, how are you doing? Yeah, yeah. We used to work in the root masters with Kelvin Scotch. Timber Master.
Oh yeah. Don't like it up them. What veg in the green roses?
It's like that, Napoleon.
There it is. It's loud.
Oh, there it is.
I just bought.
B20 engine in it.
Yeah. Tell me, I've echoed the screen.
Yeah. I hated those DMS and Sutton had when they had the IV.
Oh yeah, the screen. The screen.
Screamers we scored.
They changed the stop. That was request.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it was a request stop originally. Wasn't
Yeah,
it?
Bedford Street.
Red flag.
Yeah.
I've got bits on photos here, and then that's it. My job's starting. I want to see if it's going to come round the roundabout, and then come back to the other side, and then that's it. I'm done. Aerial German to all units, out.
Yeah.
Version and I would patch things up, but I still think he's pretentious crap. Nothing personal, it's just the way.
Where you are. That's the way. Exactly. Hashtag get over.
Years since I went now.
Yeah. I didn't make it on the last day for some reason, I forgot.
I was at college, so I couldn't
Couldn't get it off.
I was working on I was doing 14 rota that day, so I didn't have enough time to make it there. So,
Right. Farewell.
yeah, see you in the summer. Bit late to that one.
Yeah, coming in, sir, coming.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, Mr.
Thank you, Mr. Conductor, sir. Thank you.